Welcome to the Duct Kings, your ultimate solution for air duct cleaning.
A beautiful home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthy and safe environment for you and your loved ones. The air you breathe is an integral part of this environment. But did you know, your air ducts could be hiding dust, allergens, and even molds that can compromise the quality of your indoor air? That's where we come in. At the Duct Kings, we specialize in high-quality air duct cleaning services. Our team of certified air duct cleaning technicians employs advanced methods and industry-leading tools to make sure every corner of your air duct system is thoroughly cleaned. We remove dust, allergens, and harmful contaminants, enhancing your home's indoor air quality, reducing the risk of respiratory issues, and ensuring your HVAC system performs efficiently. From inspection to debris removal, sanitization, and final system test, we follow a comprehensive process to ensure optimum results. We use eco-friendly solutions and adhere to all safety standards. Clean air ducts lead to improved airflow, reduced energy consumption, and a healthier, happier home. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We take pride in our job, and nothing makes us happier than leaving our customers with cleaner, fresher air to breathe.
So, are you ready to breathe easier with the Duct Kings? Get in touch with us today for a free inspection and quote. The Duct Kings. Clean air, healthy living. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.